Welcome to TC O'Leary's online pub. We created this channel for all of you who miss going to a great Irish pub. So, grab a jar, take a seat, and let's get into it. We pour a great pint of Guinness here at TC O'Leary's, but if you're unable to make it in, we want to make sure you know how to pour a perfect can of Guinness. We've just dissected the can of Guinness and removed the heart, otherwise known as the widget. This little ball's got a tiny hole in it, so just before they seal up the can, they fill it with nitro, it fills up with Guinness, and when you pop it, it releases that Guinness back in, giving you that lovely, creamy nitro pint. Now, why would you ruin that? Like these fellas over here?
Bro me a Guinness, bro!
No problem, bro, I got you.
Oh, yeah!
Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Here, there you go. $5. The most important part of pouring the Guinness is to make the foam. Look at it slopping and sloshing. It's beautiful. It's like sea foam from the sea. Hey, what's up all you guys out there on YouTube? Thanks for liking and subscribing. I know you already have. Let's show you how to pour a perfect Guinness today, and we're gonna do it perfectly. So you've already poured your can into the glass, and we're gonna dump it back and forth until you have a nice, thick, foamy head. Crispy, what do I mean by that? Oh yeah, see that? It's working. See when it goes all muddy? That's what you're looking for. Yeah, that's how you get that foam, and then you let it rest.
Here we go. This is a can of Guinness. This is a glass. They're both 16 ounces. One should fit perfectly into the other. So, we get our fingers on that fella, release him, give him a second to explode. Now, we gently start to pour at a 45-degree angle. Nice and steady. Look at that. If you have a song in your head or a little poem, time to recite. Let it settle. Look at that beautiful cascade. Creamy. It's like a beautiful surf. Reminds me of your ma. Gorgeous. It's perfectly round, luscious, inviting, just like home. The ladies. What I wouldn't do to sink that one into the back of my... So, wherever you're at, stay safe and sláinte.
There you go. Beautiful drop, and then we appreciate it as it's cascading down the side of the glass. Like a good lemon, you just squeeze it. There you go. Take it.